Here's the Chevrolet Equinox. Let's go ahead and get started. The light's over there. The way to access it, we have to first open up the hatch. Now we need to get the light out of the body. For that, you need to get out these two covers. For that, you will need a flathead screwdriver. Put it right over there underneath that plastic cover there and then pry it out just like that. Get it out, and that is going to expose the screw that's there behind it. Same thing for the other one. Just pry this plastic cover out. Good. Now you will need a T15 torque 15 screwdriver bit to get those two screws out. Otherwise you'll not be able to do this job. Let's go ahead, get those two screws out one by one and keep them somewhere safe. Do not lose them. Now grab the light and rock it loose first. Good. Now slide it towards the back of the car. It should just pop right out. There you go. If it doesn't pop out, I'll show you a trick. Get a roll of duct tape. Get like one long layer of duct tape over there on it and just put it on the light. Repeat the process one more time. Get another long layer. Now get the ends of both of these pieces, the layers of duct tape, and use it like a handle, and then yank the light out. Get the duct tape off the light. Now that's the bulb holder for the parking light. Just twist it left and it's loose. It may be a little bit tight, so be patient with it. Now grab the bulb and then pull it out straight and it'll come right out. There you go. The bulb number is 194. Check the link in the description to buy the new one from Amazon for yourself, and then simply push it down back into the bulb holder to secure it. And now when you put it, make sure this blue seal that's on the bulb holder, it stays on the bulb holder. Sometimes it gets stuck on the light and that's just going to cause issues when you're trying to put it back in. So get it in place, twist it right to lock it, and you're done. Now that alignment pin goes right over there. There's two holes for where the screws go in. There's one pin, two pins, they go in the holes over here, 1 and 2, and this little cutout on the top that goes on the clip there. Now it's going to take you a few seconds to align it properly. There's a bunch of different things that need to align to get the light back in place. So just get it in place like this, and once it looks like it's getting there, give it a push. But again, it's going to take you a few seconds, wiggle it around a little bit, eventually line up and drop in. Everything is looking good. The holes are lining up for the screws. Now let's just go ahead and get the two screws back in and tighten them down using the screwdriver. Put those two covers back on. Press it down to secure it. That is good. Repeat the process for the other one. That's good, and that's about it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.